Okay, go. Oy, wait lang po. Huli na. Score 0-2 ah. Ng mga black sheep. Nathan. To Gerald. To Marcus. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Marcus. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Gerald. No good. Sean. Easy 2. Score 0-4. Okay. Still by Sean. Sean, dire-diretso, parang police. Score 0-6. Coaching. Oy! Still by Bro. Oy, grabe. Nakaka 6 points na po si Sean. Score 0-8. Chillax lang po ah. Coaching. Number 1. Oy, Jero. Still by Gerald. Oy, naipasa pa pero na-steal ni Pedilio. Oy, ang pasahan po nila. Score 0-10. Number 1. Number 1, easy 2. Score 2-10. Twelve seconds to shoot. Jero to Buter. No good. Rebound by Nathan. Ay Luigi pala. No good. Short lang po yung tira. To Jero. Pinasa kay Buter. To Pedilio. No good. 2 points by Jero. Score 2-12. Luigi. Oy, blanca by Buter. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Oy! Nice rim. Sayang. Jero, dala bola. Dinerecho. Jero, no good. Rebound by Sean. To Jan. To Buter. Nice fake. Buter. No good. Luigi. Ay, Nathan pala yan. Buter, lumipad. Pinasa kay Jero. 2 points. Score 2-14. Okay, same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds. Oy, sayang. Binato ni Pedilio. To Sean. Easy 2. Score 2-16. To Nathan. Short. Oy! Masyadong kampante. No, Escobar to number 1. No good. Rebound by Pedilio to Sean. Pinasa kay Air Buter. Oy! Nawala ang bola. Okay, foul. Lucky. 2 minutes 56 seconds. 14 to shoot. Score 218. Easy 2, nakakarami na yun. Score 220. Nathan. Steal by J-Ro. Huling-huli yun. J-Ro, now good. Rebound by Nathan. Score 222. To Escobar. Escobar, no good. Uy, grabe naman po yun. Score 224. Bad pass. 226. Easy 2. Score 426. Okay, same ball. 8 seconds remaining. John, no good. Rebound by Buter. 50 seconds remaining. Kenneth, no good. Five seconds to shoot. Sean, no good. Uy, nakuha pa po ni Buter. Last 30 seconds. Bad pass. Last 21 seconds. Last 21 seconds. Nice pass. Poching Cree. Score 726. Last 10 seconds. Uy, lumipad po si Buter. 2 seconds. 1 second. Okay po, change court dito, bola. Bola po dito, ha. JM, gusto mong kumalahati? Diyan, kalaban sila, JM. Ay, sila, Makakalaro ka pa rin naman dun, eh. Parang free lang to. Half lang, tighalahati lang kay ni Kochi. Gusto mo? Wait po, bola is, ayusin ko lang, ha. Dito po, bola. Coaching. Half lang kayo ni Bote, ay ni JM. JM, pasok ka.
Kanino bola?
Sa inyo.
Nice one.
7:26. Score 26-7, ha. Dito, bola. Nagpalit lang po kayo ng kakampi. Okay, game. Marcus to Nathan. To Marcus. Nice pass. Score 28-7. Same ball, last touch by number 8, Kenneth. Marcus! No good. Pasok pala yun. O, sayang. Two points by Kenneth. Score 37. Pedilio, no good. Rebound by Kenneth. Kenneth to Shan. 8 to shoot. Lumipad po si Boter. Foul. Boter. 5 seconds. Shan, no good. Rebound by Gerald. Gerald. JM, no good. Jero. Grabe, parang naghahabol sila. Boter, no good. Rebound by Gerald. To Escobar. Escobar, no good. To Jero, to Kenneth. Kenneth, no good. Boter, no good. John, no good. Time remaining. 5 minutes, 42 seconds. JM to number 1. Number 1. No good. Traveling. Still by na Pedilio. Oy, nakuha ni Escobar. Escobar. Escobar, no good. Foul ba? Okay. Marcus to Nathan. Nathan, no good. Pedilio, 3 points. Score 33-7. Kenneth, no good. 2 points by Shan. Escobar, no good. Okay, foul down. To number 1, to Gerald, no good. Easy 2 by Jero. Score 37-7. JM 3. Score 37-10. Nathan, no good. To Boter. Boter, pinasa kay Pedilio. Ayaw po niyang tumira. Score 39-10. JF, no good. Jake. Uy, pasa pala yun. Uy, nakatingin kasi kung saan. Sa isip. Steal by JM. Escobar. No good. Rebound by Gerald. Escobar. Two points by JM. Uy! Nathan to Marcus. No good. Good down. (43-12). Ang tulin po ng mga yun. Score 45-12. JM 3. 55 seconds remaining. Nice pass. Uy! Lamang na, may halo pang swerte. Last 40 seconds. Eight seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Last 18 seconds. No good. Last 10 seconds. 8 seconds. Steal by Boter. Boter. Sean, diretso kayo.